Good morning, I'm Karen with Traders Hill Farm, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this week's Wellness Boxx. So in this week's Wellness Boxx, you will find a beautiful bouquet of our red romaine lettuce, our baby pak choy, and if you're not familiar with pak choy, it is fabulous in Asian dishes and adds a great flavor profile to your salads. We have our cocktail tomatoes. And again, if you're not familiar with cocktail tomatoes, they're very similar to a cherry tomato, just a little sweeter. We have a huge head of cabbage that will be appearing with your box. We have some parsley. Again, great on top of salads, added to soups. I like to add it to a roasted chicken, put it a little bit under the skin or put it into the cavity, and adds a great flavor. We have delicious fresh from Florida grapefruit. We have our butterhead lettuce, which is great for salads, or what I like to do, I like to use it as a lettuce bun for my burgers or as a wrap for sandwiches. We have our mini cucumbers. These, of course, are great for salads, but they're also a wonderful snack for anyone, especially the kiddos. So you moms out there, slice these up, give them to your kiddos when they get home from school with some ranch dressing or some hummus. It's a great healthy snack. And last but not least, we have our green pepper, which super versatile, great in salads, great in soups. I like to dice it up very fine and add it to an egg scramble in the morning. It's a great way to make sure that we're getting some vegetables throughout the day. All right, well, that's it for this week, and we'll see you next week. Have a great week.